Hey guys, today we're going to do some multiplication using the long method. So let's start. So the equation is 638 times 247. Let's try to solve this. First we solve 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. So you put the 6 right here and we carry the 5. 3 times 7. This is normally 21, but there's a 5 here, so we just put, because it made it 26. And now 6 times 7, this would be 42. But then this 2 makes it 44. Since there's no other numbers here, we just put 44. So next we put a 0 here. And now, next one, we're going to do 4. So 4 times 8, this one would be 32. So we put a 2 here, the 3 over here this time. Next, 3 times 4. Now this one would be 12, it would be 15. So we put a 5 here and a 1 right here. Next is 4 times 6. Now this would be 24. But since we carry the 1, this would be 25. So now we just put 25. Now we just add 2 more zeros. This is because we're multiplying the hundreds place. 2 times 8. This would be 16. So we put a 6. And so we carry the 1, and 2 times 3 is 6. But because of this 1, it's 7. Now 2 times 6 is 12. We put a plus, and let's add these all together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 2 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 15. And then we carry the 1 again. 4 plus 5 plus 7 is 16, but because of this 1, it's 17. One plus 2 is 5. Since this 1 is alone, just put that right there. And of course, you put the comma. The total is 157,586. Okay, so this next one is going to be a little bit more difficult. Let's do it. So 2 times 8, that's 16. 6, no, 1. So the next one is 5 times 8. And since we have that 1, it's now 41. 4 times 8, which is 32. And now there's a 4, so it's 36. 9 times 8 is 72, but since there's a 3, it's 75. Now, cross these out. Next, we put a 0 here. Now we're moving on to 6. 6 times 2, and that's 12. So we put a 2 here, and we carry the 1. 6 times 5, that's 30, but now it's 31 because of this 1. 6 times 4, that's 24, but now there's a 3 here, so now it's 27. Now 6 times 9, 54, but now there's a 2, so now it's 56. Let's put 2 zeros here. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 5, this is 15. Now carry the 1 over here, cross out the previous one. Now 3 times 4, this would be 12, but because of the 1 we carried over, it's now 13. 3 times 9, this would be 27, but again, because of the 1, it's now 28. We add these together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. plus 7 plus 5, that's 17, but it's 18. 7 plus 6 plus 3 is 16, plus 1, that makes it 17. 5 plus 8 is 13, it's 14. And of course, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now we just find these commas. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye.